Welcome to another video. In this video we are looking at my brand new beer garden. I started building this beer garden back in April or so. It took me about 5-6 months to complete. It is attached to my woodworking shop. If you look behind me, here's my woodworking shop right here. And this one here's the beer garden. The tree here is used for shading, and the fence and stuff, that's the beer garden attached to the woodworking shop right there. So you would ask, what is a beer garden and what does it do in my backyard? Well, a beer garden, a loan translation from the German Biergarten, is an outdoor area in which beer and local food is served, typically at shared tables. Common entertainment include music, songs and games enjoyed in an atmosphere of Gemütlichkeit. So we definitely have a lot of Gemütlichkeit down there, and we use it for breakfast. We take our breakfast down there and eat it. Supper, I'll take my lunch break right about there. Very cool. And supper, we cook up brats, schnitzel, Wiener Schnitzel, anything German you can imagine. Take it down there and listen to music, play cards, have a good time. So this is a pretty short video again. So Chandra Paivo, I'm very sorry. The last video, I know you said it's a little short, 32 seconds. Didn't quite cut it. I know it's bad for the watch time, it's bad for the algorithm. But what can I do? Been busy building this beer garden. So this one is a little longer, but not too long. So I hope you enjoyed. Here's some cool B-roll. I try to capture as much as I can to get it to look good. But yeah, here we go. Enjoy. Peace.